ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልን ክብራን የቻናሌ ቤተሰቦች ሰላማችሁ ሁሌ እንደምለው በዘት ይበልልኝ። ዛሬ እንግዲህ በ8ኛ ክፍል ወይም የ8ኛ ክፍል ተማሪዎች የ2017 ዓ.ም የተፈተኑትን የጀነራል ሳይንስ ጥያቄዎችን መልስ ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ ማለት ነው። እንግዲህ በዚህ ቪዲዮውን አጠር ለማድረግ የማደርገው ምንድነው የጥያቄዎችን መልሶች እያስቀመጥን ነው ምን ሄደው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በሚቀጥለው ወይም በሌላ ቪዲዮ እያንዳንዱን ጥያቄ ከማብራሪያቸው ጋር ይዤላችሁ እመጣለሁ ማለት ነው። ለዛሬ መልሶችን ፎከስ አድርገን ወይም መልሶች ላይ ፎከስ እናደርግና ጥያቄዎችን እየሰራን አብረን እንቀጥላለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ያው ጥያቄዎቹን እንደምትመለከቱት መልሶቹን እየሰጧቸው እናንተም እየተከታተላችሁ አብራችሁ በዛው ትሄዳላችሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ መልሶቻችሁንም ክሮስ ቼክ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። እንግዲህ ወደ መጀመሪያው ጥያቄ ስንመጣ የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ ያው እዚህ ጋር እንደምትመለከቱት ጀነራል ሳይንስ ግሬድ 8 ኤግዛም 2017 ነው ወይም 2017 ይላል። ይሄ እንግዲህ 60 ያህል ጥያቄዎችን ይዛል። መልሶቹን እየሰራን እንቀጥላለን። የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ ኮንቬንሽናል ሳይንስ ሪሌስ ኦን ዘ አንደርስታንዲንግ ኦፍ ዋን ኦፍ ዘ ፎሎዊንግ ናውሌጅ ታይፕስ ይላል። ኤ ሶሻል፣ ቢ ስፒሪቹዋል፣ ሲ ፊዚካል፣ ዲ ሳይንቲፊክ ይላል። የዚህ ጥያቄ ትክክለኛው መልስ ዲ ሳይንቲፊክ የሚለው ነው። ሁለተኛ ጥያቄ which one of the following characteristics describes chemical change? Which describe chemical change? A. No new substance is formed. B. The change is easily reversed. C. It is accompanied by energy change. D. The composition of substance is not altered ይላል። የዚህ ጥያቄ ትክክለኛው መልስ ሲ ላይ ያለው ነው። ሶስተኛ ጥያቄ which one of the following is a metallic element? A. Gold. B. Phosphorus. C. Fluorine. D. Oxygen. The correct answer for this question is A. Gold. Question number 4. Which one of the following is not correct in naming of binary compounds consisting metal and non-metal? A. The metal name is or the metal is named by its elemental name. B. The non-metal element is written before metallic element. C. The last letter of non-metallic elements are replaced by the suffix IDE. D. Metallic elements with two valencies is differentiated by writing its valency with Roman number in bracket. So, the right answer for this question is B. Then B. The non-metallic element is written before metallic elements የሚል ይሆናል። ምክንያቱም here ምንድነው metallic elements are written before non-metallic elements. Question number 5. A grade 8 student took an ice from a deep freezer and kept it on a dish at room temperature. When he observed it after half an hour, there is no ice, but instead the dish contains water. This is due to A. Evaporation, B. Condensation, C. Melting, D. Sublimation. So the correct answer is C. Melting. Question number 6. Unidentified physical states ABC are given to you to observe or to identify based on their properties as follow. Physical state A is highly and easily compressible. B does not flow and C has less orderly arranged particles. Thus, substance B is liquid. B, substance A is gas. C, substance C is solid. D, substance B is gas. So, the correct answer for this question is B. Substance A is gas. Question number 7. Question number 7. Which one of the following pure substance is correctly categorized as element or compound? A. Sugar element. B. Water element. C. Nitrogen element. D. Magnesium compound. So, here the correct answer is C. Nitrogen element. Question number 8. After balancing the following chemical equation by inspection method, the coefficients of oxygen is, here the method is inspection method. So, when we balance this equation, A2 or when we balance the coefficient of oxygen, you are required to Find the coefficients of oxygen. A 2, B 4, C 5, D 6. So the correct answer for this question is C 5. Question number 9. After learning the physical property of metals and non-metals in a class, your teacher give you an unknown element to be identified. Then, which one of the following distinguished properties will help you categorize as metal or non-metal? A. Observation. B. Size. C. Testing. D. Density. The correct answer is A. Observation. Question number 10. Suppose you are given sulfur powder and iron fillings mixture to be separated. Select the best technique that you are going to use for separation. A. Evaporation. B. Distillation. C. Magnetic separation. D. Sedimentation and decantation. So the correct answer is C. Magnetic separation. Question number 11. Which one of the following is the correct balanced chemical equation for the reaction between carbon and oxygen to produce carbon dioxide? A. 2 carbon plus oxygen gives us 2 carbon dioxide. B. 2 carbon plus oxygen gives us carbon dioxide. C. Carbon plus oxygen which gives us carbon dioxide. D. Carbon plus oxygen gives us 2 carbon trioxide. So here the correct answer for this question is C. Question number 12. There are a mixture of bean, seed, and teff in a container. Which one of the following is best physical means to separate them? A. Boiling. B. Size. C. Solubility. D. Magnetism. So the correct answer is B. Size. Question number 13. Which one of the following is the smallest particle of substance that can exist freely in nature? The smallest particle of substance that exists freely in nature is A. Molecule. B. Elements. C. Ion. D. Atom. Here, according to this question, the correct answer will be D. Atom. Question number 14. Which of the following hydrocarbon belongs to alkane? A. C5H10. B. C7H12. C. C8H18. D. C6H8. The correct answer is C. C8H18. Question number 15. According to Aristotle, A. Atoms exist. B. Matter is indivisible. C. The idea of atom is rejected. D. There is a limit to which matter is broken. So according to Aristotle, the idea of atom was rejected. So C is the correct answer. Question number 16. Which one of the following is correct with regards to potassium? K19 with the mass number 39. A. Mass number is 39. B. Proton number is 20. C. Atomic number is the same as this neutron number. D. Electron number is the same as this neutron number. So the correct answer for this question is A. The mass number of potassium is 39. Question number 17. Complete the missing product from the reaction. Here, sodium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid. So here, in this reaction, there is the reaction between base and acid. So if acids or bases react with acid or acids react with base, they form salts plus water or salt and water. So according to this, the missing product or the X will be A. Sodium chloride. B. Water. C. Sodium hydroxide. D. Hydrochloric acid. So the correct answer is A. Sodium chloride, which is salt or a table salt. Question number 18. Which one of the following description is correct about acidic or basic oxides? A. An acidic oxide dissolves in water to form salt. B. Basic oxides react with acids to form an acid and base. C. Acidic oxide react with base to form salt and water. D. As a basic oxides react with water to produce salt and water. So the correct answer for this question is acidic oxides react with base to form salt and water. So C is the correct answer. Question number 19 or 19. Which one of the following is a metallic oxide? Metallic oxide. A. Sulfur dioxide. B. Potassium oxide. C. Nitrogen dioxide. D. Phosphorus oxide. The correct answer is B. Potassium oxide. Question number 20. Which one of the following compound is a base? A base. A. Hydrochloric acid. B. Sulfuric acid. C. Sodium ammonium hydroxide. D. Nitric acid. So here ammonium hydroxide. C is base. Question number 21. Question number 1. Suppose you burned magnesium ribbon in air and collected the white powder product in crucible. You added drop of water to the powder and shake it. Then red litmus paper is placed in the solution to observe the color. From this experiment, what should be the color of the litmus when you placed in the solution? A. Blue. B. Red. C. White. D. Pink. So the color of, or here the solution formed was, it is a basic oxide, since magnesium remains metal, so metals form a basic oxide. So here basic, if we are making, or if our solution is base, so it change red litmus paper into blue. So the correct answer for this question is A. Blue. Question number 22. A microscope is needed to view A. Ants. B. Teeth. C. Chicken egg. D. Onion shell. So D. Onion shell is the correct answer. Question number 23. From the above picture, which one of the following structure of a cell represented by a given letter is correctly matched with its function? A. E. Traps light energy for photosynthesis. This is the function of chlorophyll or the chloroplast. B for controlling activity of the cell. This is the function of nucleus. So B is not nucleus. E is also not chloroplast. So C. F. Jelly-like structure where other organelles found. D. A fully permeable and allows material to get in and out of the cell. This means it is determining the cell membrane, or which is not labeled as cell membrane is not fully permeable because it is semi-permeable membrane. So the correct answer is C, or which is F, is the cytoplasm of the cell where other organelles found, which is a jelly-like structure. Question number 24. Nerve is A. cell, B. a tissue, C. an organ, D. an organ system. Here the correct answer is nerve is a tissue. B is the correct answer. Question number 25. Which one of the following is a characteristics of living things to remove toxic materials and waste product? A. Reproduction. B. Respiration. C. Excretion. D. Digestion. So C. Excretion is the correct answer. Question number 26. The best justification for the use of scientific names than local names in science is that A. Local names are internationally accepted. B. Scientific names are made of two words. C. Scientific names are globally the same. And D. Local names do not vary from place to place. So the correct answer is C. Scientific names are globally the same. 27. Which of the following kingdom is correctly paired with their distinguishing characteristics? A. Animalia, autotrophs. B. Fungi, heterotroph. C. Protista, prokaryotic. D. Monera, multicellular. So here, Animalia, autotroph. Animalia, heterotroph. B. Fungi, heterotroph. Yes, B is the correct answer. Question number 28. Which one of the following is correct example of organism with respect to corresponding kingdom? A. Yeast, Monera. B. Toad, Plantae. C. Amoeba, Protista. D. Paramecium, Animalia. So here the correct answer is C. Amoeba, Protista. Question number 29. Angiosperms. A. are non-flowering plants. B. are non-vascular plants. C. Lack xylem and phylum or xylem and phloem. D. Have enclosed seed. The correct answer is D. They have an enclosed seed. Question number 13. A fluid-filled blister caused by herpes simplex virus is A. Cold sore, B. wart, D. eczema, C. acne. So the correct answer is the cold sore. A is the correct answer. 31. Which one of the following is not the function of human muscular system? Movement of eyes, pumping of blood, C. posture, D. hearing. Here D is the answer. Question number 32. Under which system is tendon included? A. circulatory system, B. skeletal system, C. excretory system, D. muscular system. So here here the correct answer is the skeletal system, B. Question number 33. Lack of eating fiber food in a diet mainly causes A. diarrhea, B. gastritis, C. constipation, D. ulcer. The correct answer is constipation, C. Question number 34. Cellular respiration system is important in your body because it's A. transport food along alimentary canal, B. remove pathogenic microbes from the body, C. remove oxygen and water from the body, D. degrade glucose with the presence of oxygen. So D is the correct answer. Question number 35. As part of circulatory system, lymphocytes are used for A. blood clotting, B. transportation of food, C. transportation of oxygen, D. prevention of disease-causing agents. So lymphocytes are the WBCs or the white blood cells. So they are important in preventing disease-causing agents or microorganisms. So 35 D is the correct answer. Question number 36. Menstruation is A. the time when FSH in male produce no. B. the discharge of blood through vagina after menopause. No, this is not. C. a sequence of events usually occurring every 4 months during the fertile period of a woman. No, it is not for every 4 months, whereas it is for every 4 weeks or 28 days. D. the time when the ovary produce mature egg due to the activity of FSH from pituitary gland. This D also indicates the ovulation, not the menstruation. So this question has a problem, or it has no answer at all. Question number 37. Which one of the following is abiotic components of an ecosystem? Abiotic components. A, or the non-living components. A. sunlight, B. protozoan, C. algae, D. plant. So sunlight. A is the correct answer. Question number 38. In the following ocean food chain, phytoplankton, zooplankton, fish, seal, shark. So A. phytoplankton is the primary consumer. No, it is producer. B. fish is a tertiary consumer. No, fish is a secondary consumer. C. seal is the first trophic level. Yes, seal is found at the first trophic level. D. shark is the last producer. It's not. Shark is found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the 5th trophic level, and it is the first or the quaternary consumer. It is a quaternary consumer. So the correct answer is C. 39. Which one of the following is correct with regard to clay soil? Clay soil, A. has large pore space, B. has large size than sand soil, C. holds more air than other types of soil, D. holds relatively large amount of water. This one is right, or D is the correct answer. The best water conservation strategy among the following is A. deforestation, B. counterplowing, C. crop rotation, D. overgrazing. Here C is the correct answer. Question number 41. Which one of the following is correct with regard to the components of atmospheric air? A. nitrogen is in highest proportion, B. the oxygen in the air is produced during respiration, C. oxygen is less combustible, D. the amount of water vapor is the same. The correct answer is A. nitrogen is in a higher or in highest proportion. Question number 42. Which one of the following human activity does not cause deforestation? A. Planting trees. B. Building homes. C. Making furniture. D. Farming activities. Here the correct answer is A. Planting trees. Question number 43. Ancient Chinese believed that the shape of the earth was A. An oblate sphere. B. Flat rectangular surrounded by heavens. C. Flattened at the pole and bulges in the middle. D. A flat square shape surrounded by heavens. So D is the correct answer according to the Chinese belief. Question number 44. In which layer of the atmosphere does life exist? In which layer of the atmosphere does life exist? A. Mesosphere. B. Troposphere. C. Thermosphere. D. Stratosphere. Which is the correct answer is B. Troposphere, which is the lowest atmospheric layer that living things live or life exists. Question number 46 or 45. Which one of the following is the correct effect of rotation on Earth? A. The turn of day into night. B. Cause of different seasons. C. Distribution of temperature. C. Difference in length of the hilal. So the correct answer is the correct answer is A. The turn of day into night is the best effect caused by the result of rotation of the Earth on its axis. Question number 46. Suppose you are moving a table towards you. It is towards you. Which force is applied under this circumstance? A. Pushing. B. Pulling. C. Pushing and pulling. D. No force is required. So here the correct answer is pulling. 47. Which one of the following is not the effect of force? A. Doing this examination. B. Stopping a moving object. C. Running in a football field to win. D. Squeezing your wet clothes after raining. So the correct answer for this question is C. Question number 48. A measuring device of a force made of a hook attached to a spring, stretching in a proportion to weight of an object is, or it is stretching in proportion to the weight of an object is A. Spring. B. Hook. C. The pointer. D. Scale. Here pointer is the correct answer. Question number 49. Matter is changed from one form to another by using A. Pressure. B. Energy. C. Force. D. Power. So here B is the correct answer. Question number 15. Generators change A. Chemical energy to light energy, electrical energy to sound energy, C. Mechanical energy into electrical energy, D. Chemical energy into mechanical energy. So the correct answer is C. Mechanical energy to electrical energy. 51. The main source of energy used for trucks in Ethiopia is A. Fuel. B. Nuclear. C. Wind. D. Solar. So the correct answer is A. Fuel. 52. The largest family of the solar system is here. From the solar system, the largest one is A. The Sun. B. Jupiter. C. Asteroids. D. Mercury. So from the family of solar system, the Sun is the largest body or the largest part or the largest object in the solar system family. Question number 53. So 53 is based on the above diagram. So Jupiter is represented by letter Ziga A, B, B, C, H, D, E, D, E, D, Ilal. So this question or the right answer for this question is C, H. Jupiter is here denoted by the letter H. Question number 54. A celestial body that revolves around the planet is A. Star, B. The sun, C. Satellites, D. Moon. So the correct answer is D. Satellites, C. 55. Distinguish a unique characteristics of the Earth. A. It has ozone layer. B. It is the third largest planet. C. It has harsh weather condition. D. Less number of life exists. The correct answer is A. It has an ozone layer. 56. Dispersion of light. Question number 56. Dispersion of light. A is caused due to reflection. B causes the red color to bend less than violet. C is the splitting of white light into three colors. D cause light to travel back towards its initial medium. The correct answer is B. It cause or dispersion cause the red light or the red color to bend less than violet. Question number 57. Sound is formed by A. Vibration, B. Reflection, C. Refraction, D. Dispersion. The correct answer is A. Vibration. 58. A mechanism of heat transfer from the hot part of an object to its colder part is A. Radiation, B. Convection, C. Conduction, D. Refraction. So the correct answer is here it is conduction, or C, which means there is a transfer of heat from hotter part to colder part due to the result as a result of the collision factor or collision of particles. Question number 59. Letter C represents from the diagram above. Letter C represents A. Switch, B. Bulb, C. Fuse, D. Resistor, D. Resistor. So from the above diagram, here A represents what? A represents the battery, whereas B represents the switch, whereas C represents the bulb. B is the correct answer. Question number 60, or the last question. The phenomena where objects are attached or attracted or repelled. It is the phenomena where objects are attracted or repelled is referred to as A. Magnets, B. Magnetism, C. Electricity, D. Circuits. The correct answer for this question is the magnetism, since it is the phenomena or the effect. So this is all about the general science questions. See you next on the other subjects. Thank you for your attention, or thanks for watching.